Assalamu alaikum everyone. All right, so SHIB is making the move finally, and I do remember some maybe 1 month, 1.5 or 2 months ago, I used to tell you on my private, I used to tell you on YouTube videos that I'm going to give you a coin name that is going to pump, and it can give you a potential return. So a lot of you messaged me on Twitter and you asked me the name of the coin, and I'm just gonna go through this one with you. Like this dude called Scott here. And I told you, yes, I believe SHIB is really down by some, not too much for the midterm hold, near 2 to 3 months, okay? And this message was back in like when did I actually send this message? Yeah, so this was back in May, okay? And we are sitting in August, so I gave you the time frame as well. So this was 2 to 3 months, and from May, if you add 5 plus 3, that's yeah, exactly 3 months. In August now we made the move, and I told you that keep in touch with the channel and with me. Hopefully we'll get something out of it. Let's say you're using $100, buy 50% at 900 and buy another 50% at 4,500 level, right? So this is just an introduction to tell you why you should be listening to this channel as well. So what happened is, if we go back to May, which was 5th of May somewhere here, so this was when we were buying SHIB, okay? So our the first buy was right over there. The second buy was to 400 to 500 level, and we got the wick down to 550. Second buy here, done. Now, tell me, when you buy at 900 right there and you buy at 500 right here, now you're back at 900 once again, you are in a profit. And it doesn't really stop there, okay? Actually, as a matter of fact, this is a profit of nearly 61% to the upside. Mission accomplished. And what I'm going to do is tell you where SHIB might be looking to move forward to. If I do dive into the 15 minutes time frame, I can expect a little bit of a pennant here to be made, and once that pennant is going to be made, we might be looking at SHIB to actually go from there to there, and we could be looking at a move up of 993 actually, okay? Now, not only is SHIB actually pumping, but in my private channel I have been trading Bone as well, which is another coin from the family of SHIB, which is Bone Shiba Swap. So there's like a Shibarium update coming in, and I don't know if that's maybe the hype that we've been hearing about, the biggest update of SHIB as well. So yeah, coming back into the SHIB coin once again, I do see some levels that we might be able to go and visit, and I'm going to turn on the 4-hour time frame right there and bring in the logarithmic scale as well. And now SHIB is coming in to very, very close to one resistance that I want to tell you right here, okay? And this resistance, if it gets broken, it's going to be wonderful, like very, very wonderful. So one touch here, second touch there, third touch right there, and then this one right over there. And you do have another resistance approaching. So you're looking for this resistance. Now, let's say you do break above this resistance right there, then you might really climb to the upside. Now, I am into SHIB, and I think SHIB is an amazing coin for the long term. I'm not interested in selling SHIB at the moment. I personally want to keep SHIB for some few years. I don't think it's the right time to sell it. But this, for you, if you are in a profit and you're in a trading mode, congratulations, just take the profit, simple, okay? And maybe to get some freebies, message me on Twitter once again, okay? I'm thinking of posting some freebies on Discord as well. Sometimes, like a 10% trades, 20% trades, just free, just being generous, So do message me on Twitter. The link is in the description of the video, and I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.